Are you a pastel lover? Oh, you love pastel work, but you don't know how to go about it.
Whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced artist, how you just want to start your so if you have any problem or question that you want to ask me,
Feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you stay a little well, I can still explain more. If you're not here, I'm a little bit fast and just trying to fish out the basic idea so that you can also, you know, roll with me. So let's keep
moving as we develop into the work, you understand more. So after joining this skill, so it's giving more understanding and the types of color that
can go into the characters and bring them up more. So this is the reason we're using the background before sometimes applying this thing. So thank you. See you in my